As you can see, it appears up here. Hey guys, and welcome for today's video. So basically today I'm going to show you how to find the Game Center app. As you can see, it's no longer here since I'm running iOS 11, but I'm going to show you how to find it and actually delete game app data from it. So first thing you want to do is access settings, scroll down and press search. Now from the search button you're going to type in Game Center. As you can see, it appears up here. Press it and the Game Center data is loading. What you want to do is toggle off this green button here. By toggling off this green button you will immediately erase all data and the progress of the game will vanish when deleting and restarting the game. So toggle it off and you're basically done. This works for apps such as Clash of Clans, Clash Royale, Pixel Gun 3D and all the apps that require saving game progress.